Hello everybody, in today's tutorial I will show you how to view two sheets side by side on your spreadsheet on Microsoft Office Excel. So first open Microsoft Excel spreadsheet and follow these simple steps. So first I will create another sheet so I can show you how to see them side by side. As you can see, I have now these two sheets, and now we need to go to the View tab. To do so, here in this ribbon, where all the tabs we have or all the menus are located, are going to click on the View menu. After that, we need to create a new window. So we need to search for the window sections. Here is the workbook views, show, zoom, and here it is the window section. Now all we need to do is to create a new window. Creating a new window will open the same file uh, in another time, or it will open it as many times as you want. So I'm going to create a new window, and as you can see now I have my file uh, with the second window. All I have to do now is to drag this one like that until you see that white square, and you will click on the previous file, and here I have my two sheets or all the sheets that I have, and whenever I modify or update on this file it will be updated on the other window. So all I have to do now is to click on my second sheet, and as you can see I can work on two sheets at the same time, and I can view them side by side. So let's do some updating on my sheets, and I can work something else here. For example, can just do like that, and of course I will find it here whenever I go back, and I will see all the updatings are uh, are being applied simultaneously. So basically, this is how you view your sheets side by side on Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.